YouTube, JB from Oz. So today I'm going to have a bit of a go at welding up this thermostat lower and upper housing off a Toyota Dyna. There's some corrosion that's come out pretty badly through here. I'm going to get the burr in and just clean out the last of the crap, hopefully get us down to some good solid metal. Take out these items and I'll machine up a replacement tube for this and then weld a replacement tube in here as well. So, wish me luck. Alright, I just had a go at the first side and I'm about to have a go at the second side of this part, this flange face. Then we can try and machine it back a bit, I guess. Alright, so I've made up this replacement fitting on an end. I've cut a little cone on the end and I've cut a bit of a cone this side. I'll just cut a bit more at that side, I think, just to let it sit down a bit more. Then I shall weld him in. Then we've got a bit of machining to finish up that face and this job is done. Alright, we're now in position, ready to just tack it. And once we've got it tacked, we'll just do a bit of running stitch. Alright, so I'm just doing a bit of tidy up. Have to do a bit more down in there. Ran out of puff for the day. One little imperfection which I'll just re-weld there. Got enough on that face there that I should be able to face it off. Still have light showing through down that hole, so I'll probably clean that out and just cut a bit more on this side of it all. A bit of sealant in the hole would also work, but why not do it right, eh? Do some progress. And just run a drill down to clear out all the crap once we're done. Alright, so I've taken a bit of a surface to this face, which mates with this face. So I've given them both a bit of a buff on the wheel. Finished welding in and shaping up that coolant pipe, and also finished repairing this edge here that was all corroded away. So that's now ready to go back in the Dyna, and job's done. Good enough for an old hack. Could clean it up a bit more, I think, but yeah, not going to bother. Job done. All done with hand tools and a bit of weld. The mill was a bit hard to